paleoclimate. Really, the studies of past climate or paleoclimatology is a branch of climate science. Of course, in climate, we can measure like temperature, precipitation, wind directions, and various kind of parameters which are directly included in the climate. So most of the things we measure in the modern time using some equipments. We call it instrumental records. Instrumental record is usually is available for last 150 and 160 years. Beyond that, the instrumental record is usually not available. So going back in time, but we need to understand how was the climate, what was the climate pattern, how it's changing, and what kind of parameters, what kind of things has happened with the climate. So the climate changes that can be addressed or can be measured actually using some multiple proxies. So that is the instead of equipment, we have to use some proxy like is the evidence or representative things, the main things. So climate proxy, which is the most important thing when you're working with the paleoclimate science. So reconstruction of past climate actually need three basic components. It would be nice for younger scientists to focus on what are these three aims or three lines of paleoclimate. Most important line is we need a proxy. Proxy is some kind of physical, chemical, or biological property of the natural systems which enable quantification of changes in climate in the past. The second thing is we need just to make a time, I mean, understanding of the how the changing pattern going with time. That is called chronometer. That chronometer is assigned to time to give us some the valuable time frame for the proxy. So it is assumed that changes in proxy with time and in the systems